Urukiko uru rwabahera izoba aha Las Vegas mbara urayigita bebembezi aba district z'ukuhika 12 mu kugamba kwe Brigadier Johnson namanya yabahigo kureba ngo bafaya abantu abarukwenda indangamuntu na passport.
Whether health or roads or infrastructure, but most important, a national ID will be a tool, an instrument of travel, of medical, of purchases. Without an ID, where we are going, you will not be able to do anything.
Brigadier Johnson namanya or Commissioner Citizenship and Passport Control yashobora kigenderwa cy'urukiko.
Kubushwira umuntu washwira mu Kenya ningo mu Tanzania noija to kugira uti namutaho na mu processingira ID norabo mu process za okumuco mu Uganda akereza kutunga certificate yenatunga ID abona kuba mu Uganda so nibyo twaturumu kandi ntegateka ngo twabikirize bigenderwa twandifana.
James Rubama Orimbara Regional Immigration Officer omukugamba kwe yashobora office yabetungire kizubica abantu abatari Uganda kwigura hamaduka hagati ye town batini license.
Omugwira yeno kola mu kitundu nga talina biwandiko. First of all, work permit ya sente nyingi aba adinainga government okufuna omusolo gwayo buyandibadde egifunako. For example, iri ekikacha work permit nga kangeza bugeza okujisasula ya $25,000 kati omuntu bwakola emyaka 3 nga dinainze government $25,000 tolaba nti abagikosa mu revenue.
James yashobora ngo empunju zitanje kugura itaka umyaka nyitariyemwe nemo muri mbara batine papara biru kubagambaho.
Abantu abalala abagamba nti refugees basetulinga mu bitundu nga biriranye Isingiro Kakoba nga batuse n'okuba nti bazimbyemu ekyo ye kugamba sometimes ba complaints nga ziva mu batuuze kati bazitubuulira tuba tulina okulaba engeri nga tukwataganira wamu era gwe mulamwa gwa meeting eno okulaba nti solvinga ebizibu ng'ebyo.
James Mwesje or Commissioner wa RDCs orukujunanzwe change kya burenje bw'izuba bwa Uganda yahiga bebembezi okurekeraho kurya mwihango rukwe.
Can we be committed? And what really surprises me, you collect money and you are poor. I've seen corrupt people, very poor.
District Registrar wa Isingiro Muhwezi yashobora nko ko abantu abarukuhika $2.7 bahandikirwe kandi abantu $19,000 bafunira indangamuntu zabo kandi abantu $15,000 indangamuntu zabo zahwireho kandi nizokugarzaho.
To renew these are the kinds of people that were registered in 2014 and were issued cards in 2015, and some of those cards have expired or are about to expire.
Edgandi yakira yashobora nko kuba CID polisi bakwejumbira mu bushomankuzi bakahempunje papare barukwenda
kanise bushomankuzi na muno aba bantu abakuba mbende byo kwinura umundangamuntu nk'emyaka arikwenda kiteka umucakwenda hazo bumwe twatagana na CID police kwandika report hazo shanga haza merituga tukabije birete kizibu ahabo kuba twine byo bikebera amagufa nebindi.
Achebez Robert Mugabe Ormeya wa Mbara City yahabura ba LC1 okurebuka ngo bakora byo mu rumo gwabo babantu bahandikira abante barhazo butuze.
So bachamara ba LC1 bantu bashaka ubufara bw'ipujije ubagaruka kumwikira bamukuza itaka kandi government takucike batwamuje.
The stairs